This is chapter number 4 about data and analysis. I will cover all possible short response questions from this chapter. What is data? Data क्या होता है? Data is a collection of raw facts and figure. Raw facts and figure होता है. जैसे मैंने कहता हूं, मैं लिखा 16 क्या है? आपको नहीं पता. अगर मैं कहता हूं कि टुडे इज 16 मार्च, it means no, this is clear. It means this is information. Data can be numbers, text, images or symbols. By itself data has no meanings क्योंकि डेटा का कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता. इंफॉर्मेशन मीनिंगफुल होती है. डेटा इज प्रोसेस टू प्रोड्यूस यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन. डेटा पे प्रोसेसिंग की जाती है ताकि ये आपको यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कर सके. व्हाट इज इंफॉर्मेशन? इंफॉर्मेशन इज प्रोसेस्ड एंड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड डेटा. ये प्रोसेस्ड होता है और इसमें ऑर्गेनाइज्ड डेटा होता है. इट हैज मीनिंग एंड यूजफुलनेस. ये दो पॉइंट्स इसके होते हैं, मीनिंगफुल और यूजफुलनेस होती है. इंफॉर्मेशन हेल्प्स इन डिसीजन मेकिंग. आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, आप इंफॉर्मेशन से यू कैन टेक डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डिसीजंस विद डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस. Example, mark sheet generated from student marks. Differentiate between data and information. Data is raw and unprocessed, while information is processed and meaningful. Data has no context, information has context. Data is input, information is output. What is data analysis? Data analysis क्या होता है? Data analysis is the process of examining data in different point of view. It helps discover pattern and trends. ये क्या करता है? इससे हमें देखते हैं कि ये किस तरह का पैटर्न मूव कर रहा है और क्या ट्रेंड आ रही है इसमें. Analysis converts data into useful information. It supports decision making. Why is data analysis important? Data analysis important क्यों होता है? It helps in making informed decisions. It identifies errors and inconsistencies in data. It reveals patterns and trends. It improves planning and performance. What are the types of data? Data कितनी तरह का होता है? Qualitative data means describe non-numeric data, while quantitative data is numeric data. Quantitative data can be discrete or continuous data. Example, names, qualitative, marks, quantitative. What is qualitative data? Give an example. Qualitative data describes qualities or characteristics. It is non-numeric in nature. It answers questions like what, how, or which type of questions. Example, gender, color, grade. What is quantitative data? Give an example. Quantitative data is numeric data. It can be measured or counted. It is used in calculation and statistics. Example, age, marks, height, like that. What is discrete data? Discrete data consists of whole numbers. It is countable. It cannot take fractional values. Example, number of students, number of books. What is continuous data? Continuous data can take any value within a range. It includes fractional values. It measured rather than counted. Example, height, weight, temperatures. What is data collection? Data collection is the process of gathering data. Data can be collected manually or electronically. Accurate data collection is essential. Poor data collection leads to wrong analysis. Yes. What are the sources of data? Primary data, directly collected data. Secondary sources, already existing data. Primary data is more reliable as compared to secondary data. Secondary data save time and cost. What is data organization? Data organization arranges data systematically. It makes data easy to understand. Organized data support better analysis. Example is like tables, lists, spreadsheets. What is data interpretation? Data interpretation explains the meaning of data. It draws conclusions from analyzed data. It helps in decision making. Interpretation converts information to knowledge. What is data visualization? Data visualization presents data graphically. It can use charts, graphs, and diagrams. Visual data is easier to understand as compared to the textual data. It highlights trends and patterns quickly. Why are charts and graphs used in data analysis? They simplify complex data. They make comparisons easier. They improve clarity and understanding. They help in quick decision making. What is a table? A table displays data in rows and columns. It organizes data neatly. Tables makes comparison easy. Tables are commonly used in reports. What is data accuracy? Data accuracy means correctness of data. Accurate data produces reliable results. Error reduces reduced data accuracy. Accuracy is essential for analysis. What is data consistency? Data consistency means uniformity of data. Same data values should match across datasets. Inconsistency causes confusion. Consistency improves data reliability. Why is clean data important for analysis? Clean data is free from errors. It improves accuracy of results. It reduces misleading conclusions. Clean data support correct decision making. Question number 21. Describe how data science help business make informed decisions and provide two industry examples. Data science analyzes large data sets to find patterns and trends for decision making. It helps predict future outcomes using models and historical data. It improves efficiency by identifying problems and optimizing process. It supports better customer understanding and personalization. Example 1 is retail, predicting customer buying trends and managing inventory. Number 2, healthcare, predicting disease risk and improving. Identify 3 ways data science contributes to machine learning and artificial intelligence. Data collection and preparations to provide quality training data. Feature selection or engineering to improve model performance. Model evaluation using metrics to check accuracy and reliability. It helps detect bias and improve fairness in AI system. Differentiate between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data input with correct output. It learns to predict the output based on examples or previous data. Examples classifying emails as spam or not spam. Unsupervised learning uses unlabeled data, no correct output given. It finds hidden patterns or groups in data. Examples grouping customers into segments based on behavior. Question number 24. Describe in everyday examples that illustrates reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is learning through rewards and penalties. The learner improves by trying actions and seeing the result. Everyday examples learning to ride a bicycle. Correct balance and steering act like rewards, that is success. Failing or losing balance acts like a penalty, that is failure. Over time, the learner improves by repeating successful actions. Question: write the appropriate machine learning model for each scenario. Part 1 is sorting mixed fruit, apple, banana using example, that is supervised learning. Learning to ride a bicycle for sport events, reinforcement learning. Group Lego blocks by colors, no label needed, unsupervised learning. Teach siblings to reorganize pictures with examples, that is supervised learning. Train to a toy robot to find its way out of a maze, that is reinforcement learning. Write the appropriate machine learning model for each scenario. Clean your rooms to attend a party, rewarded base, that is reinforcement learning. Teach computer to recognize shapes, square, triangle, circle, that is supervised learning. Arrange books by size, choice, ease, grouping, unsupervised learning. Find similarity in ice cream flavors, unsupervised learning. Unlock rewards in a video game, that is reward based reinforcement learning.